Hi, I'm Mike Baker. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to set up MTI's Generation 2 529 series chair, which is this 529, the 528, and the 529W. Now your chair may look different than this, but the functionality of each chair is exactly the same. A full account of the details can be found in the user manual. After you cut the straps on the cardboard and you remove the cardboard, be careful to remove the inner packaging as there may be components or upholstery underneath. Now the box is removed, you're going to want to remove the 4 bolts on each corner of the base. Once the bolts are removed, slide one side of the chair onto the 4-wheel dolly and then slide the other side, making sure that it's even and centered. Make sure that you lift by the metal of the chair and not the plastic. You may want to do all this outside the exam room as to give you more space. Now we're in the exam room, we want to install the upholstery and any other components that came with the chair. To install the upholstery, make sure the chair is laid out flat and grab the seat and back section. First, put down the seat section and line up the front locating pin with the front hole in the seat section, and firmly press down on the seat to attach the Velcro. Next, line up the upholstery backrest with the seat back of the chair and press down firmly. The 529 series comes standard with slide back patient arms. To install the arms, simply screw in the 4 screws. Refer to the user manual if you have any additional questions about installing the arms. To insert the arms onto the chair, slide the mechanism forward and with one hand put it into the spline which is in the back. The 529 comes standard with a foot control. There is an optional hand control. Refer to your user manual for additional information on the hand control. To install the foot control, simply plug into the front of the chair as you would an Ethernet cord. Once the foot control is installed, make sure the chair is in place and use the 4 leveling feet on each corner to level out the chair. Once the chair is level, install the leveling glide covers by simply pressing down. On the back of the chair you'll see a 110-volt plug. Insert the power cord in the plug and then plug the chair into the wall. The 529 series comes with 6 spline locations used to attach various accessories, 3 splines on each side. To install a spline, simply pull out the plug, line up the pins from the spline into the insert, and then insert the 2 bolts. For any additional accessories, see the installation guides for installation. If you have any questions, please call us at 801-875-4990 or email us at technical.support@mti.net.